Hello guys, welcome to Tech TPLM. Here we are going to start a new tutorial series in mobile application development using Google's Flutter. This tutorial series is for the people who likes to learn mobile application development from the very beginning. As this is targeting mainly beginners, I'll be explaining each and every concept slowly with practical application development. If you like the videos and contents, make sure that you subscribe to the channel and activate the new video notification by enabling the bell icon. Your comments are very important for me to get motivated and improve the course. So please add your valuable comments. A mobile application, also referred to as mobile app or simply an app, is a computer program or software application designed to run on a mobile device such as a phone, tablet, or watch. Examples are WhatsApp, Facebook app, food delivery apps, etc. There are two main platforms for the mobile application development, Android and iOS. For Android mobile app development, the developers use Android Studio and the program will be written on the programming language Java or Kotlin. For iOS mobile application development, developers use Xcode and the program is written in Swift language. When we follow so-called primitive method of mobile application development, the main problem developers face is you need to make two versions of the same app, one for the iOS and one for the Android. This will be something really frustrating, time-consuming, and expensive. So, what is the solution for this? The solution is Flutter. Flutter is an open source user interface software development kit created by the Google. Why we need to learn Flutter? It makes the developer's life really easy. Flutter can be used to develop applications for Android, iOS, Linux, and Mac, Windows, Google Fuchsia, and the web form from a single code base using the Dart programming language. What are the system requirements needed for the Flutter development? You need to have a code editor. You can use either Android Studio or Visual Studio Code. You need to have Flutter software development kit downloaded in your computer, and you have to set the path for the Flutter software development kit. And you need to install Flutter or Dart package in Android Studio. And you need to have an emulator or a real device to run or test your app. Don't worry, I will walk you through all the steps you needed to get the requirements in the next video. Thanks for watching this video.